gathered here today, various organizations within the Congress party, the Youth Congress, Mahila Congress and the PCC members and all the people gathered, especially our women leaders from across Goa here. Much has been said about the rapes happening in Goa, but there is no action. There is just words. And every single time there is abdication of responsibility. Pramod Sawant is the master of excuses. Sometimes he blames the victims themselves for getting raped. Sometimes he blames the religion of the rapists. Sometimes he blames that their ethnicity of the rapists, that they were from outside Goa, that's why they did it. But in the end, the buck stops where? He is the Chief Minister of Goa. He is sitting on the highest position of this state. When is he going to take responsibility and when is he going to be answerable for the failure of his government? This is something we are asking today. Whether it was the rape case that happened a few days ago of the mentally handicapped girl, a gang rape, every single day crimes against women have increased under this regime, and this is completely unacceptable. On one hand you say beti bachao, beti padhao, but on the other hand you have absolutely no control on the security measures for women in this state. 50% of your population is unsafe and you have nothing to say when something goes wrong. I thank all our friends from the media for coming today and covering what we had to say about the massive amount of rape cases and crimes against women that are going on in Goa. And so all of us, we are all here standing with the women of Goa. We are 50% of the population here, and it is the bound duty of the government to ensure that we are provided the rights that are given to us via our constitution. We are accorded equal rights as men, and that also entails equal safety and the freedom to go about our lives and without being raped, without being molested, without being treated as lesser than men. Thank you so much.